So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually find those meme coins that will do 10x. So we're gonna use one really cool platform that I recently started using, and I'm gonna show you this right now. So the platform is called Asset Dash. This is not a sponsored video. I tested it yesterday, and I wanted to show you this how it works, because for some of you, for those that don't have a lot of time to do research and to basically just be in the trenches, see what tokens are coming up in the new purse, this might be really useful, because most of these tokens, whales are accumulating, and once the token is getting a ton of quality holders, most likely this token is going to move upwards. Those whales are basically buying in size with conviction. So as you can see on this example, this is the Prometheus, and that was the tweet from the Truth Terminal dev, and he tweeted this where they had the Pantheon and the Prometheus. So someone created that token, and you can see this token went from basically from zero, you got the spike. So this is where he tweeted, and we went basically from like 40k 50k to over 7 million. So I saw this token super late. I wasn't on my PC at the time, but I still managed to top loss basically, and I sold it just for 1 SOL in profit. So PSP guys, we're not always gonna be hitting the 10x's, 20x's, 50x's, but gotta appreciate even those small wins. So basically you can see, I'm gonna show you this on the website right now. So if you go to Asset Dash, and we're gonna play around with the filters a little bit, and we're gonna filter for buys only. And we also want to see what tokens. We're gonna select the less than 1 million. So if you're gonna select that option, you're gonna see all of whales that are essentially buying tokens sub 1 mil. And if you're gonna scroll down below, I'm gonna show you that some of these whales were accumulating those tokens around 500k. So pretty much all of those guys, they had a pretty high conviction, because they don't buy, let's say, any random shit that you can see on new purse. They tend to go with the conviction. Like for example, we had GOAT, like for example ARK, Trump. So those people are completely different investors, where for example we can see a ton of trenchers, they scalp the new purse. Those people, they usually buy into those large market cap coins with conviction, with some lore behind it. They want to see some fundamentals. So this is a really good idea for people that don't have a lot of time to look on the new purse and just scalp them. This is a great idea if you want to go with conviction and you want to hold it for a while. So for example, you can see this first whale bought at 510k. So if we're gonna go back, and let's say he aped somewhere here, and let's say he held to the all-time high, so he made 10x on that one. So that's one of these examples. Pretty much every single day we have at least one runner, so you'll need to just keep watching the page. You can open it on the site, and you can do something like this. So you're gonna see this dashboard on your site. You don't need to switch between tabs. You can just keep it open and see what people are buying. Then you wanna quickly jump into, and you want to do your research. You don't want to ape blindly. You just wanna research first before you're gonna invest into it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video for the algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.